Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today there's another eyebrow video because I'm just all over it. I just finished actually tinting before I remembered that I haven't done the intro of this video. So this is my eyebrows. We're gonna go up close and zoom how kind of tint it is. This is my first tint. I have unruly eyebrows. We're also gonna wax it. So if your eyebrow looks a little something like this, do something like this, then please just keep on watching. Okay, so the tinting kit comes with the color. I already used it. I already tried it before really quickly, so I'm gonna do it all over again. The developer and a couple of these doe foot applicators, and also some medicine cups for your color and a bunch of spoolies. So I'm not gonna talk throughout the whole thing. I'm just gonna speed it up, but it's like basically self-explanatory. Just remember, if you guys are gonna do this, I would suggest doing the tint first as well, and this is the same thing I've learned, just because your pores are gonna be open before waxing. So for me, because I want to do this at the same night, I'm gonna do my tint first. So just be very careful about where you're putting your product, just because it might stain your skin and we don't want that. So I would suggest, if you do want to do wax first and then tint, I would suggest doing it in between a day, like wait 24 hours just to make sure it's okay. But it's probably gonna be a lot easier if you're already shaped. But because this is happening all at the same night, this is what I'm doing. And the trick with that is basically I'm just gonna put makeup on my eyebrows, kind of like a pomade, and that's how I'm gonna do it. So you also need a couple Q-tips or a few Q-tips to clean the excess, because again, we don't want to stain our skin. That's not part of our eyebrows. But basically everything else is self-explanatory, so I'm probably just gonna speed through it, and I would voice over if I think I have to say something. So yeah, it's hard because I'm not wearing any contacts, and yeah. So we're gonna put one part of each, one part of the color and one part of the developer. So I actually picked the color Natural Brown. So I put that much, and then I'm gonna put the same amount of developer. So the developer would be a lot liquidy, but you know, just eyeball it basically. So now I'm gonna use the back of this thing and just mix it. Also, the longer you put it on, the longer the tint would be really dark. So I suggest, for something like my hair is really dark, I would do like maybe an interval of every 5 minutes. But if you're really scared to make it not too dark, I would start with like 3 minutes, take it out, and then just do it all over again. You can do this pretty much as you want, as long as you're happy with the color. So it's gonna look something like that. After that, we're gonna clean our brows. You can use a cleanser or whatever, but just to make sure that I don't have any extra oils, I'm gonna wipe it with an alcohol swab. Just be very careful, and maybe close your eyes just so you don't sting your eyes. And once your eyebrows are done, that's about it. So I apologize, I have to wear my glasses because again, I'm not wearing any contacts, so I'm so sorry about that ring thing. So now we're just gonna comb it again and basically do my eyebrows. I'm gonna start using an angled brush, or you can use the spoolie to really get in there. Again, completely up to you. So I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna use everything in my arsenal. So first of all, I'm gonna use my angled brush. So you can see it's a lot darker now. I'm gonna take the product and really basically just do my eyebrows. If you guys need a really detailed tutorial about how I do my eyebrows, I do have a video. I'll put the link down below. So now that I'm happy with that, I'm gonna get this applicator and really soak the product in. Again, I'm avoiding the inner part, or I'm gonna do that super at the end. So now I'm gonna go in with a spoolie to make sure I get product on all the hairs. So now I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be right back. So now that we're kind of done, we're gonna go back and do another layer of the outline, just a little bit. So now I'm actually gonna go the inside. Also, I took the note of the time right when I started, because that's your timing point, not when you're done. Your timing point is right when you started. So then I'm gonna line the inside like so, because that's where you want the strongest color. And then I'm gonna go back. Oh man, I'm staining my table, it's absolutely crazy. And then you're gonna go back with a spoolie and brush it, and just make sure you have product everywhere. And again, if you stain outside your area, that's fine, because you have the Q-tip, okay? So just go back and clean it. So then now you're just whatever's left, or like just a little bit, you don't have to use the entire thing. Just soak the product on top. Just put it all there. I started 11:55. It's been 5 minutes, so I'm actually gonna wait for 3 more minutes, take it out and see what it looks like. Also, you're gonna need some cotton pads, so I'll be right back. So on the last couple minutes, that's when I'll do the inside of my brows, just so it's not weird that it's just like a bald spot basically. So that's what I'm doing right now, and we're gonna take it off super soon. So it's been roughly 10 minutes. I know I left it really long, but you know what, you do you. I just have a cotton pad. We're just gonna basically bloop, take it out. See, I'm just gonna do one more, or do one more cotton pad to make sure it's clean. You can get like a cleanser to make sure it's like super clean, but as you can see, it's already almost gone, so that's good. Now we're gonna take the other one off. Oh, so yeah, now it's basically really tint. Let me go see, because I am blind as a bat, can't see nothing. So as you can tell, there's still a lot of like gaps and stuff like that, so that's when you can go back and redo it, which I'm gonna do. But that's how the tinting process is gonna be, so you can again repeat it and stuff like that. But that is basically how I tint my eyebrows using the at-home kit by Brows by G. Their link is down below if you guys want to order. I know they ship in Canada. I'm not very sure outside if they do ship. If they do, I'll put it somewhere so you guys know. But if you're from Winnipeg, they do pickups also at their Provencher studio. So now we're gonna go on ahead with our waxing video. So it's probably gonna be too long for one video, so subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss it. And I know I always upload every Mondays, but because this is kind of together, this video would be up tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, thumbs up if you like this video or you learn anything, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.